Hey everyone, this is Nick.
And this is Lily, and we're City Rockhounding.
And today we're out on the railroad. It's 25 degrees. It's been a little warmer, so it melted some of the snow. We're going to see what we find today.
I hope everybody has a happy Thanksgiving.
It's a beautiful morning out here so far. Lily and I are definitely having fun and starting to warm up too, which is nice. It's supposed to get up to the 40s today. Some really cool railroad chert, some banded chert. That's a really pretty piece. I like that one a lot. Here's some more railroad chert. It's got a little druzy pocket in there. It's all wet though, so it's not really picking up too well. That's pretty cool though. Cool piece of Leland blue. Probably cut that one open there. Nice piece of horn coral here. You can see it sticking out of the top, but that's pretty much about it there. Then this really cool piece of Petoskey. I like that a lot. It's got some really cool structure to it. I'm excited for that. So here's Lily's first finds of the day.
Here's a piece of horn coral I found.
Here's her first piece.
I really like that one. It's really pretty.
It's a good size one too.
Here's another piece of horn coral. I really like that one. There's just something special about it.
It's got a good pattern on the inside.
I agree. That one is really cool.
That one we might be able to prep off of the limestone. That might be cool.
Yeah. Here's a piece of railroad chert with a druzy pocket and some agate banding.
You can see that banding and druzy towards the bottom there. Kind of goes all around here on the bottom.
Yeah, I really like these pieces of railroad chert. They have to be my favorite.
That's a really cool one too. Nice job, Lily.
Thanks, Dad.
Lily and I always like to come down here to the edge of the water here by this lake where the beavers hang out. You can see their dam far out there. It's a really pretty place here. There's just something about the smell in this area. The air smells so fresh and so clean. But it's only right here that I smelled it. Right by this lake. That's why I enjoy coming back here. We're definitely having fun finding some cool stuff. Starting to head back now. Here's a really cool piece of chert. Thought it had some pretty color going on inside there. I like that one a lot. That's cool. And some cool horn coral. A couple of them in there. Some of them are a little difficult to see, but definitely there, and that's cool. Here's some more horn coral. A couple of them in this one too. Definitely like the horn coral. Stands out to me out here. That's a really cool piece too. And some more. This one's probably my favorite of the day so far. Looks like it was a little crushed, but that's still really cool. Well, it's definitely getting warmer out now. On our way back. Lily found some really cool stuff here. Couple pieces of horn coral.
Yeah, these are really cool.
That one's kind of cool. This one's loaded with them. Bunch of them in there.
Yeah, I was really surprised when I saw that.
That one's really cool. This one's got a brachiopod shell out there at the end there.
Yeah, that's really cool. I like that one.
I like those long ones. Those are cool.
Those are.
Might be something else right there too.
I didn't notice that.
I'll have to get that home and clean it up. And probably the best find of the day so far. I believe a gastropod there.
Yeah, this is really pretty.
That's awesome. That's a good find, Lily.
Thank you. And I'm really looking forward to finding more in the future.
Good job.
Thanks, Dad.
Last couple finds of the day here, just before we get out of here. Gotta start getting ready for Thanksgiving meal. Definitely excited for that. Here's a really cool piece of horn coral. Starts right here. Makes its way all the way out to there. That one's really cool. I like that one. Here's another piece of horn coral. I like it when I find them like this, out of the limestone, or mostly. That's cool. And then this really cool piece of railroad chert with some agate banding on it and a little bit of a pocket. Not exactly sure what that yellow is in there. Have to get a closer look at that at home. But that's some really pretty banding in that though. I like that one a lot. Definitely a fun day out here. Hopefully we get to come back out again tomorrow. Well, that's going to do it for today's video. I really appreciate everyone stopping by. It really means a lot to us. We had a lot of fun out here today.
I hope everybody has a happy Thanksgiving. I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.